Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another video. In this video I will show you how to calculate mean, median and mode and standard deviation in Microsoft Excel. Let's start the video. First we enter mean, median, mode and standard deviation. Now mean is equal to average AVG, and then click on average and move the cursor middle of these two brackets and then select the whole column and press enter. Here is the mean and then we find the next column and select the whole data and press enter. Now just move the cursor to the corner of the cell and drag it to the end of the data. Here is the mean of the all data, and then we find the median. Median is equal to median. Median is equal to median. Here is the MED and E. Then click the median and move the cursor in middle of these brackets and then select the data and press enter. Here is the median, and then move the cursor to the corner of the cell and drag it to the end. Now we find mode. Mode is equal to mode. Select the whole data and press enter and drag it to the end of the data. And the next is standard deviation. Standard deviation is equal to STDEVA. Click on the STDEVA and move the cursor in middle of these two brackets and select the whole column and press enter. Here is the standard deviation and drag it to the data is ended. Hope you can like the video. Please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.